Hello guys and welcome back. Today we just got the head re-put back together. Today we're going to be installing on the motor. I'm not going to install the valve cover because we got to do the valve lash, but I'm going to get the head on, alright? So Garrett, here, you're cameraman now.
Okay.
I'm going to get my new fancy, Garrett, watch. Go Power Sports head gasket, 10,000 head gasket.
Oh, just tell them what they do to your head gaskets. They put a smiley face on the package, remember?
Yeah, when you order gaskets, apparently they put smiley faces on.
Is it gonna fit?
I put these in the wrong place. Crap. Where's my pliers? Anybody? Anybody? Alright, everybody start looking for my pliers. No, I need pliers. Come on, everybody back up away from me. I need room.
There is a pair.
Oh, you mean you see?
Yeah, no.
How did you get the thing out of the horseshoe? Got a weight in it.
That's what
It
everybody
was
needs.
only on top of it.
It was actually
It was
wedged.
under it, but
Garrett, watch. Alright. So now you put your 10,000th head gasket on it, alright?
You had to have a nice clean. Oh,
Yeah.
no, I didn't mean to let you.
See, this is what happens. You need to back up a little bit. Alright, see now that you got your set pins in, you got to take your push rods. You got to...
Hold it in place?
No, the head gasket's just a little bent. It wasn't y'all Go Power Sports. Then you take it and you put it up through there. And then you align it. And
Aligned. New crafting item. Engine. Assembled.
here, shut up. Alright, I got that on. I'm gonna start putting these head bolts in.
That
Just
sandpaper
to get it.
feels like grinding paper, whatever they use to put on the belt grinders. Belt grinders or sanders. Yeah, belt sanders. That feels good on my knee because it's itching. There's some down the level below us.
Retarded.
It feels good. I'm itching.
Alright, now. I'm gonna
I'm
I
gonna show
got
them
my
assembly.
torque wrench set.
Got all that.
Hurry up. How long have we been filming for?
2 minutes.
Hurry up. Screw
Ah,
these
here
down in
comes.
Garrett, why aren't you filming my hand?
I am.
I'm gonna put these. Hurry up and get these threaded down in here, so we can. Garrett. You gotta
I
watch-
am filming.
No, you're not.
What's this thing at Zoom? I'd totally use that.
Garrett, no, you never use Zoom if you're this close.
No, like if I was like way back here, I would use Zoom so to get a close up of it.
You don't realize on Chromebooks, Garrett, and phones and stuff, it pops up a whole lot bigger.
Oh.
Yeah, I've watched some of my videos. Alright, now we're going to torque it down to 17 foot-pounds.
How do you know it's foot? How do you know how much torque it has in it? How do you know it has 17?
I said it, Garrett.
How do you set that thing?
Oh, hang on. I think I went over.
How are you supposed to set that?
Well, he said it.
Do you set it on the torque wrench?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna probably have to come back and retorque it. I don't know if I did it right.
Oh, will it stop after you get 17 pounds in it?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Weirdo. Weirdo 17. Is that good, that pop?
I don't know.
but it's in there pretty good.
Oh, don't break, French. Oh no. Is it threaded?
No.
Okay.
It looks like it's pretty cool.
This seems like real easy. You just put a socket on it.
No, that's not what you do.
You're a medium
Hang
bone.
on, let me put it on the floor.
Nice and move. Let me get in a nice spot and get a shot of it. It's kind of hurting my finger. Okay, so I think that should be good. Are we gonna crank it in this video?
No. I don't know why it ain't doing right. No. So that's why I'm not torquing it down to spec. That's why I'm not torquing it down to spec.
I'm trying, but he's in my way.
Let's put the push rod
I
in
can't
here.
move. I got this area. A little bubble that is about to be popped. I can't. Because he's in my way. You're in my way. Because I'm trying to move sideways. Can you get him to move back?
Can I get you to shut up?
Well, I can't move, so I have to stay this close. I want to be kind of in an angle. So I'm normally standing right there. I can feel the air off that. So, hey, let's see if this thing got compression.
It does, Garrett. Alright, that in.
Feels like it's coming out right here. Not funny.
It's got a crankcase vent.
Okay, so nothing coming out of the exhaust. Does it have compression? I don't feel anything.
Trust me, it's got compression. Alright, yeah. It originally didn't have a 10,000 head gasket in it. This is the original head gasket, which was thicker. That's why I don't have no slack in it, so we'll have to go back and adjust the valve lash. But this is going to be it for this video, y'all. We didn't torque the head down to spec. We didn't torque it down to spec because I don't think I set the torque wrench right. But I'll get that fixed off screen. My dad and me's going to have to go back and set the valve lash. And we still got odds and ends tie up that we're not going to do on video. But I guess we'll see y'all next time. If you like this content, like and subscribe to the channel.